Here you have a concrete slab, and that constitutes a thermal bridge. That means that you'll get heat loss through that slab. And you've got a whole lot of steel posts attached to the slab, which are also thermal bridges, so they're basically bringing heat loss, dragging it out through the building, through the slab into the ground, and similarly bringing up cold temperatures from the slab into the house. So this is a standard form of construction in Melbourne, Australia, but it's not very efficient from a thermal point of view. There's an example of thermal bridges at work. Well, you can't see them at work, but because they're not covered up, you can imagine them at work.